Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am participating in a really special Tablescape collaboration. It is the Headbangers Tablescape 2020. Now, there are two hosts for this collaboration. One is the lovely Mary from At Home with Mary, and also Tammy, our wonderful Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, Miss Mary, this is Miss Mary's first collaboration, so please go over, show her some love today. She's really just trying to get her channel started, and those of us that are creators, we understand, what that's like. Now, Mary has fantastic content on her channel already. So again, go visit her today, show her some love, make sure you subscribe and hit that notifications bell 2 times. Now, Tammy is the queen of DIYs. She also does revamps, home decor styling, tablescapes, you name it. So if you don't subscribe to her channel as well, please make sure you do that today. And if you don't subscribe to DIY Design by CCW, please make sure you hit that subscription bell today and tap that notifications bell 2 times. I should say subscription button, and then tap that notifications bell 2 times so that you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Now, the ladies, Mary and Tammy, asked us to use our favorite bandana or scarf to design a tablescape. They said we could do we could glam it up, farmhouse it out, whatever we want, use whatever color we wanted, just basically use a scarf or a bandana as our inspiration. Now, before I started talking, I showed you the scarf that I used as an inspiration for my tablescape, and I also made sure to incorporate that scarf into the tablescape. So I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to let you see my version of the Headbangers Tablescape 2020, and I'll come back at the end and just say a couple words. All right, everyone. Thank you so much again for watching the video. And if you are still with me till this point, I thank you so much for that. Now make sure that you go over and pay Miss Mary a visit. Again, Mary's channel is At Home with Mary. You'll find the links down in the description box. Also go over and pay Tammy a visit. And Tammy's channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And again, a link to her channel is in the description box. Please check the playlist. That link is also below. And if you do not subscribe to this channel, I really hope that this is the day you subscribe. Tap that, after you subscribe, tap that notifications bell 2 times so that you will be notified whenever I upload new content. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. And like I like to say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.